Hey, what's up? KemushiChanのLorettaです. Welcome back to my channel and the second round of Abaha.
Yeah, apartment hunting Tokyo.
Apartment hunting Tokyo.
Guys, look at this. This place is huge. Oh, I really like this one.
Here, there's view of Skytree. 38.88. This place is pet friendly.
Hi guys. Look at this huge sink. Oh my god.
This is a great size. Yeah, quite ample space in the closet. So you get sun right over here.
This is beautiful.
We picked up, we were over at a nearby station.
You found me.
In our last video, we talked about things to look for as a foreigner, getting all the perks of the apartment. But this time, we're gonna just go full on and try to get the best idea of pricing. See if do we know pricing?
Yeah, that's always hard. It's always hard if you don't know the market or the area.
Oh, you're gonna know the market and area.
I'm gonna get to know it, right?
Yeah, so this is now my second round of apartment viewing, but this is your first time.
First time, yeah.
Let's go see some apartments. Before we do, if you guys remember, this is Jason.
Hi, Jason with Apps.jp.
He is
How's it going?
the specialist of 100% 100% 外国人の経験担当 Jason. And he's going to be showing us around the apartment today, so you know the drill.
So what's really interesting about this apartment is the thing, there's no distinguishing like a shoe area or the entrance area. It's kind of arbitrary. And then you walk in and it's just this wow, right into the living room.
Yeah.
Is this place pet friendly?
It is. This place is pet friendly.
Okay, point number one. It's pet friendly. The thing that's great about having like the floor like that is that when our dog comes in, we have more room to like wipe her feet because she doesn't really have shoes.
Yeah, like on a rainy day like today, yeah, definitely.
And like it's
Yeah.
kind of more like a mud room than a Genkan, so there's more. It's an easier.
Well, it's an
Dismount.
interesting aspect. It's definitely a bigger space. It's not like you come in, you have to take your shoes off, and then you step up and like, kind of enter, which is like most Genkans are like about.
People who have these actually, they tend to have like 50 shoes in the front. Not even joking.
Right?
They don't even use the closet, this type of thing.
Like
so,
our New York apartment was like this. It was like we had the seated,
It feels like
seated
you
bench.
can almost put like like a bench or a cabinet or like shoe cabinet. You
Well,
could-
the shoe
there's a-
cabinet's there.
Oh, there's a shoe cabinet.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so it's already there. But yeah, you could put a bench. You could put a small bench or I don't know, shelf or something in there just to.
So this is a pretty big living room too in here.
Yeah.
Outlet here, an outlet there. So in terms of like where you could put a TV, I like these little like what are these called, alcoves or whatever, because you basically can like stick a desk in there and maybe separate like.
There's one like parallel type of layout,
Yeah.
which is where you would have like a couch facing this wall and entertainment stuff on this side.
Yeah.
The other way is to separate it by actually this way.
Yeah.
And by actually having the couch here and then entertainment stuff over here, and that leaves this space over here open for like maybe a small dining table over here.
Yeah.
Or even on this side, you could do a small thing if you put the couch forward.
Yeah, it's wide enough where you can still use it.
Indeed. Layout options here, it's actually not too hard to work out any sorts. And actually the whole kitchen space just being cut off from here as well. You know, you have your own kitchen sanctuary.
Kitchen.
Yeah, the kitchen.
Ooh. I was saying earlier, I don't like separate kitchens. However, this space is big enough where I could sneak in a little work desk.
Into your kitchen?
You know, seriously, and that's actually my favorite thing to do is work by the kitchen because then I can like
Wow, that's
I
like
can work while I.
well, that's a very Tokyo style efficient usage of space.
There's not that much counter space, but there is space for like, I don't know, a cutting table or a cutting block.
Yeah, you
over
could
there.
actually add
You could
stuff,
buy a little
spice
island
rack,
or something over there for a table for storage, right? There's a good amount of space over.
Look, there's even an outlet,
this
dude.
corner.
I can hook up like so many computers
Oh my
right here.
Yeah, actually, because that is like a high voltage as well.
Right?
You can just have a whole bunch of.
Let's check out the bedroom.
Oh yeah, the bedroom just coming in here, boom, right off into the.
It comes with air conditioning too.
Ooh,
Yeah, so this is what's great about this.
Yeah.
It has its own.
It's got heating,
It's
air
AC.
conditioner.
Yeah, heating and
AC
cooling.
unit right there. Yeah.
Oh,
Definitely
yeah.
That's a nice.
Another closet over there. Is this count as a walk-in closet?
Yeah.
What do you guys think of this closet, huh?
The space is good, definitely.
Yeah.
Space is good.
This is like I like that there's a shelf in addition to the actual closet space. This is pretty awesome, right?
This is a big. There's a lot of good usage of
I'm a
space.
fan.
right?
Yeah, if this was the 1940s, we would say that's where you put your hat boxes.
You're right.
But
I really appreciate this, that it's a slide and not a door.
Because
that helps a lot.
because this opens up, this means we
so
can
you have full
have.
clearance over here, yeah.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about.
This means the bed can be right up against
Yeah.
this.
Yeah, you just want to roll into the closet.
You know what the real question is then?
Will the bed fit? I
Will
think
the
it
bed
will.
fit?
I'm pretty sure it will. I'm pretty sure it's going to be really close up against that wall, which is nice that it has that siding. If we put our bed here,
This is 210. This is with a frame. This is with like thick sheets hanging over. This is with everything.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I thought. There's just nothing to like screw behind it right there.
There's like one.
Seemed about right.
Yeah, so it would be less.
Yeah, and then I guess going up, you were saying 140 was it?
130 something.
Oh, 135. So okay, right in between here. So we're gonna go up to that. So we'd have the neck right into there.
Yeah, it's fine. It felt kind of small, but after seeing where the furniture would fit, it feels like a little bit more workable.
Right?
Yeah.
And especially like with this balcony here, I know it's supposed to be for laundry, but I would just like live out here.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is a thing. There is a space for one chair, small table.
Yeah.
And honestly, that's a good place to drink coffee in the morning.
Oh my god,
Yeah,
yes.
it's not.
It'd be good. It's a
not
really
bad.
nice view too, and it's not super exposed, so people can't judge you for using your laundry area for relaxing. But you know,
Just want to hear the street sound.
above the 14th floor, and that's normally when you start to get away from the street sounds.
This is
Yeah,
true.
because you hear the rain, but you don't hear any cars out there. That's great.
Yeah, since-
What is the tatami size of this?
The tatami set. Okay, this bedroom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This bedroom is 5.2 Joe.
5.2.
Okay, because our bed right now is in 4.5.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that makes sense.
And the living room space, living dining room space here is 9.2.
Do you remember what ours is?
Either 6 or 6.5, and
No, you can tell because that whole section is like
this
is
place
extra.
is this is definitely a lot bigger than our living room space.
But dude, we haven't even seen the best part.
What's the best part?
Jason, tell us, what is the best part?
The bathroom.
Yeah, the bathroom is quite nice.
Oh, okay.
Let's go check it. Let's go check it. Let's go check it.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
This is huge. Oh, is that for the washer dryer?
Yeah, the washing machine.
Yeah.
That's expensive, yeah.
Okay.
This is just the washroom. This means
Yeah.
you can brush your teeth and you won't interrupt my showers anymore.
Yeah, I know.
Yes! Look at the shower. This is
Yeah.
beautiful.
It's pretty huge.
Look at this. Look at this. You got full head clearance.
No, I can't even.
This is full head clearance.
Oh, even with
Nice.
Got on the toes, right?
On
still,
the toes?
Still full head clearance, right?
My goodness,
My
guys.
goodness,
We're doing
right?
good.
Yeah.
Okay, get in there. The shower
Yeah, I know.
is above your head.
I know. I can probably turn around without like hitting the wall in the bathtub. It looks like.
Look at this huge bathtub.
I know,
This is
right?
like I could have like a whole jacuzzi like moment.
Yeah, I could actually take a bath. Wow.
Who would have thought
Yeah.
that in a bath you could?
This
Yeah.
sounds great. And did you see the mirror behind you? I wonder if this is one of those like non-foggy mirrors or something.
Yeah, no, these possibly get fogged.
But it's still
Unless
like
it's got some magic there, it will fog.
it's still like Japanese style though, where like you can literally spray the whole place. I love that.
short. I'm still a little too tall for them. Do you want to see? This is
Still too tall for the mirror.
yeah, still too tall for the mirror.
Boomer's view is
Yeah, a little tall for the mirror.
that's okay.
But it's okay. You know, nothing's perfect.
Can you show him really quickly this? He's never seen this.
Oh yeah, so this is like a room, like a shower room dryer, heater mode, and it has a cooling mode, and it has a fan mode, and just the drying mode.
Actually, you can heat your shower.
I know.
The room
Yeah,
before
it's,
you love
it's
that.
quite luxurious. It's silly,
it's nice.
but sometimes.
Yeah, especially in the winter. Yeah.
Okay, so you know what it's time
Yeah. Guess that
for.
price.
It's time to guess that price, guys.
Let's remind everybody about budgets.
Okay,
Got
so
it.
our budget was between $1,500, sorry, it's in dollars, but between
dollars.
$1,500 and $2,000.
$2,000. Okay.
So it was between, what is that, 15,000 and
15,000.
20,000.
Yeah.
You said you wanted to have a big bathroom.
Definitely bigger than ours. right
My
now.
criteria was location. It needs to be near Shimbashi, Roppongi, or Shibuya for my work. Right now we're near
Hachobori.
Hachobori.
Yeah,
So-
line.
Yeah.
So we're like
Yeah,
we're like right where I need to be. Perfect.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, so this is 40.66 square meters.
Okay, so
Yeah, and actually, and the thing about it is because the toilet is it's a non-separated type layout. It's a large place with the toilet, the shower room, but it's non-separated. So actually, most of the square footage goes into the living spaces.
Okay,
so even
yeah.
at 40.66, it feels quite large. And I think a huge point about it, I mean, this place is 1 minute from the station.
Yeah,
that's also
it's literally downstairs.
It's pretty ridiculous.
Oh, that's right. It was
it's literally downstairs.
What do you think? If you're over, then you lose.
If I'm over,
it's one of those $1 things. 40 square meters.
40 square meters.
And we're on the 15th floor as well. 15th floor, bedroom, walk-in closet. 2009 March build.
Oh, 2009.
Yeah,
so fairly new, right?
Yeah, it has its own separated kitchen, deep sink, pretty good cutting board spaces.
Yeah. 1,800
Per month.
per month.
Okay.
And Juhachiman.
Juhachiman,
yeah.
I think Jukyu.
Jukyu? Okay.
Total rent is 189,000.
189. Oh, yeah, you lose.
By 1,000 yen.
You're
Yeah.
both close.
It was so. Yeah.
So
we both had a pretty good idea. And that's with everything included?
No, this is management fee included.
Oh, okay.
And everything. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
total
yeah.
rent's 189. Just flat.
We'd have to get like our own internet. And stuff,
Yeah,
right?
That is true. Yeah, there are some units that like come along every now and again that have things. Yeah.
Because we don't pay for internet now.
Yeah.
What is, well, I can ask the neighbors where their Wi-Fi password if that's what you're asking. Is that what? Is that?
Hey.
Awesome. Okay, so let's check out the next spot.
Okay.
Nice lobby.
Apartment number 2 is going to be fancy.
Looks like new construction,
Check it out. Okay, so there is a income.
So let's check it.
This is kind of cool.
I like this one already.
You would like this setup.
This is like entertainment style again,
Yeah.
the open.
Yeah, the entertainment style again, and this actually allows for quite a lot of space within the bedroom as well, because the bar space itself can actually cover 3 people,
Yeah.
and then you can have like a 6.
Oh, that's right. We could
Yeah,
put like
so actually-
stools here.
And if you notice, like right here, this is actually the highway right there,
Yeah.
and it's dead silent here.
Oh, you're right.
So this is this is like double insulated soundproof glass. Check this out.
Oh wow. Oh wow, yeah.
Yeah, and then layer 2, air insulation in between. Yeah, I mean it's just.
Oh wow, yeah.
It makes a huge
Yeah, so for like a little bit of entertaining and maybe you could have a good party a little here with your friends, this place is very nice.
Yeah.
gosh. My question is, does the bed fit?
I think it's gonna be
A tight fit.
That is an interesting here. Let's.
I'm guessing it's about 200.
Oh no, actually, you have a pretty space here.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's about.
So here's 200, here's 200.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So it's actually not bad. It's actually up to here and then right there.
Yeah.
So this right here would be.
Oh, so you could actually still hear the door.
Yeah, that would be the corner of your.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
Like it's workable. With the ensuite bathroom.
Yeah, your own suite bathroom.
There's a closet right there.
This is crazy.
Yeah,
Where's the bathroom?
the master bedroom style layout is really uncommon.
I like this one. I like this better than the wood look actually.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The ensuite bathroom would be
Oh, that's not a bad closet, right?
the what's it called? The tatami closet.
Tatami closet. Oh yeah. It has the water closet, like just the toilet out in front, so you don't have people constantly coming through.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we would like never have anyone in the shower.
Yeah.
So.
Sliding doors, right? You can close it off. So party time.
Party time. For who?
So you can close up. The ceilings are really high too.
Look
That's
how high
right.
these ceilings are. This is
Ceilings are
ridiculous.
very high.
Oh my gosh, I'll never have to worry about hitting my head again.
So we are looking at 38 square meter 1-bedroom apartment. 3-minute walk from Roppongi Ichome station.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
I'm literally looking at one of my like my office building is like right there. I could walk to work in like maybe 3 minutes
Yeah.
at tops, like 2
Okay,
desks.
so we've got literally best access, completely central Tokyo.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
It's a little bit small.
It's small. Well, it's smaller than what we've seen, right?
Yeah, it's 38.88. The sacrifice comes in the bedroom. The bedroom is a little bit smaller than the other places.
Yeah.
So living room space is actually quite comparable.
Is it dog friendly?
This place is pet friendly. This place also has a promotion for free rent for 1 month.
Oh my
so it does have some positive, like you can technically like prorate that over like 2 years. And,
Yeah.
I know the
but
price.
I'm not gonna take that into the calculation.
I know the price. It's zero.
Yeah. I mean, for the first
For
month.
the first month.
For the first month, right? This location, about 40 square meters. I'm gonna go with what, like 2,100?
I'm gonna go with still 19.
You think 19?
Too cute.
I think it's 20 or Nijuman.
Okay. Nijuman and then Jukiman. Okay. This is 185.
Whoa.
Wow,
really?
We're both up.
Yeah.
Which means we're both in.
I
Yeah.
would thought it'd be a lot more just because of how where location.
Yeah, but I think it is really because the downside is that it's hard to use the outside space. The balcony is almost
Like
just
your laundry is literally facing.
Yeah. You might want to dry in the shower thing because there's literally the highway.
It's just gonna blow.
It could that's not even a joke. Yeah, it's right
straight
there.
on the Rainbow Bridge and I'm out.
Exactly.
That's great. Okay, no, but honestly, I think that's pretty good. And like we said in the last video before, like by the time I finish editing this, we could be moving in. But yeah, so this was number 2 for today. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take Boomer to see the actual footage of where we checked earlier, and have him guess the price based on that as well. And we're gonna do a full thing there. So this is gonna be goodbye for you, Jason.
All right.
But we're gonna.
No, thank you very much, Loretta and Boomer. Thank you very much. It was my pleasure.
So yeah, guys. So don't forget, this is not sponsored. This is just my friend Jason.
Oh yeah.
From Apps.jp.
Apps.jp. Yeah, come visit us. We'll totally sort you out.
Yeah, there's not a lot of foreigner-friendly realtors or foreigner-friendly, apartment services in Japan. So to have 100% full support is a big plus.
Yeah, and we really care about just your life in Tokyo and what you're trying to do, what you're trying to achieve, lifestyle goals, this kind of thing. All this kind of thing, taking into consideration the human side of apartment rentals, and that's what really we're about.
They have a website. It's super functional. Like it's really great. They have really great search fields and like limiting by area and all that sort of stuff too. So it's a really good. It's very easy to just search. So
yeah, and you can just contact us directly as well. Apps.jp/inquiry and just there.
Yep. So we got the links below. We got the links also to their social media. So if you're not ready in 1 month, you can still check out their Bukken and the Mahoni and everything crazy. You can check it out on social media, and we will see you guys over there.
Thank you guys.
bye.
There's a whole other room in here.
So that's a queen size bed right there.
This is perfect. I mean, I'll take it. Like wash our dog in here, but it's not.
Oh, this place is not pet friendly.
What about Pupper, huh?